A dark mode bug in Bingo Cache can usually be isolated to the app's display settings, device theme, or an app version that needs to refresh its settings. If Bingo Cache suddenly switches to the wrong theme, stays dark when it should be light, or stops responding to the theme setting, these are the first fixes to try. By the end, you'll know how to reset the theme without changing your Bingo Cache account or game progress. First, completely close Bingo Cache and open it again. On Android, open the Recent Apps screen and swipe Bingo Cache away. On iPhone, open the App Switcher and swipe Bingo Cache away. Then launch the app again and check the display. If the theme is still wrong, check your phone's system theme. On Android, open Settings, search for Dark Theme or Dark Mode, and switch the setting off and back on. On iPhone, open Settings, select Display and Brightness, and switch between light and dark. This matters because some apps follow the device's system appearance instead of using a completely independent theme setting. Next, check whether Bingo Cache has an appearance option inside the app. Open Bingo Cache, go to its settings or profile area, and look for options labeled Appearance, Theme, Dark Mode, or similar. If the option exists, change it, close the app, and reopen it. If the problem started immediately after a Bingo Cache update, check the App Store for another available update. On Android, open Google Play and search for Bingo Cache. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check available updates. You can also clear temporary app data on Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Bingo Cache, Storage, then use Clear Cache if that option is available. Clear Cache removes temporary files, while Clear Storage can remove local app data, so don't use Clear Storage unless you know your account information is safely backed up or connected to your Bingo Cache account. On iPhone, there isn't a standard Clear Cache button for individual apps. If restarting and updating don't fix the display, deleting and reinstalling the app can refresh its local files, but only do this after confirming you can sign back into your account. So the main fixes are simple. Restart Bingo Cache. Check the phone's light or dark setting. Verify the app's own theme option, and install any available update. If the bug remains after those steps, take a screenshot of the incorrect theme and contact Bingo Cache support, so they can identify whether the problem is app-specific. Try the restart and theme setting checks first. If this fixed your Bingo Cache dark mode problem, like the video and subscribe for more app fixes.